Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to hide the clock and date from your Windows 11 system tray to achieve that ultra-clean, distraction-free taskbar look. First, right-click anywhere on the time and date in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Select Adjust Date and Time from the context menu that appears. This will take you directly to the correct page in the Settings app. Look for the toggle labeled Show Time and Date in the system tray. Simply switch this to off. You'll see the clock and date vanish instantly, giving your taskbar a much more symmetrical and minimal appearance. If you ever need to check the time quickly, you can still press Windows key plus N to open the notification center, where the clock remains visible at the top. And that's it. Your desktop is now cleaner and more focused. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.